Here's the big news, ladies and gentlemen. India's Prime Minister, Narendra Modi, he sends a massive global message amid the US oil chaos. Because while the US struggles with oil shocks from Venezuela and rising tensions with Iran, India is stepping onto the world stage, bold, confident, and ready to lead. You're watching Times XP, it's me, Vriti Yatri, and here's the big news. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has announced a historic new partnership. The India-European Union Free Trade Agreement. Well, he calls it the mother of all the deals. And for good reasons, this can actually transform India's economy and global trade like never before. Let me tell you why this is such a game changer. For nearly 2 decades, India and the European Union tried to negotiate this pact. Well, stalled talks, deadline missed, endless stops and starts. And now, after years of persistence, the deal is finally done. And it opened doors to easier access to Europe's 450 million consumers, boosts in India's manufacturing, IT, textiles, expanded pharmaceutical, wine, automobiles, and technology exports. In fact, it increased European investment in Indian industry. This is not just trade, this is a strategic leap for India's global presence. But you know how it connects the energy and geopolitics? While Washington scrambles over oil and global energy uncertainty, India is showing economic independence now. Instead of relying on single partner or source, India is building multiple pillars, be it Europe, Asia, Middle East. And through this particular deal, India signals that we control our energy, we control our trade, our growth. We are not boxed in. This is a big news for businesses and people. Easier trade, lower tariffs, and more opportunity. New jobs in manufacturing, trade, services. Stronger investment flow, boosting infrastructure and growth. In fact, wider global partnership, making India a central player in global trade. From big companies to small entrepreneurs, this particular deal touches every single corner of the Indian economy. And then there is energy angle as well. This particular agreement is not just about products. It is also about opening doors for energy cooperation. European firms may invest in India's renewable and conventional energy sectors, giving India a stronger and more secure energy footprint in a turbulent world. This matters the world to us. The whole world is watching. US oil supply chain are under a lot of pressure. Global markets, they are jittery. In fact, regional conflicts are rising, and in the middle of all of this, India is the one sending a clear signal that we are ready, we are resistant, and we are rising. In the end, this is more about a trade deal. This is India claiming its space on the global stage, economically, strategically, and politically. The message to the world, let me quote it for you very proudly. India is open for business. India is leading. India is unstoppable.